Criminal lawyer Ashok Saraogi has given the outline to a film inspired from the life and mysterious death of Sushant Singh Rajput. The film's titled Nyay the Justice and is produced by Saraogi's wife Sarla. Now Ashok Saraogi is also the legal advisor on the project and he hopes to reignite the Justice for Sushant Singh campaign by providing fresh clues to investigative agencies' stagnant probe through his film. He told the media that since he was involved in this case, he was representing his ex-manager Shruti Modi. He knows it all and he knows all the internal things about the case. He even claims to know how the investigation is being done. So he says, I had to take the lead and I asked my wife to produce this film. Fans will get an idea of what really happened or what could have happened. Not only fans, but he says investigative agencies will also get some clue and fans should be happy that on the basis of that clue the investigating agency will be in a position to proceed further. So it's like pushing the investigative agencies to move further on the basis of the hints given by Ashok Saraogi and his team. Now let me remind you that Sushant's family has categorically asked anyone making any film on Sushant's death to take prior approval from them or there will be legal proceedings against them. But our man Ashok Saraogi doesn't seem to even make a mention of whether he has contacted Sushant's family or not. It becomes even more messy because Ashok Saraogi is representing Shruti Modi, who is still one of the accused named in the FIR filed by Sushant's family. In one of my earlier videos I had told you how there have been cases of fraud and cheating on Ashok Saraogi. Meanwhile, the CBI has maintained that it's still probing the case, but with no new updates from the agency, fans have almost given up hope. However, it seems like it's Ashok Saraogi to the rescue. He says the so-called delay could also be a part of a well-planned strategy by CBI. His exact words are, CBI is a cool agency. They will never give complete details of the investigation like police or other agencies. They purposely delay the investigation sometimes so as to make the criminal look like there is nothing against them and make a mistake that gives them the clue. This is the pattern of working of CBI. So at this point the CBI may not be harsh on some person so that they get added evidence against them and they can be prosecuted further. And it doesn't stop at that. Ashok Saraogi also claims that he was the one who had approached the CBI when the SSR probe was at its peak and informed them about the existing drug menace in the film industry. The lawyer who claims to have helped the CBI in getting the NCB to probe the drug angle also had a lot to say about the recent progress made by the NCB by filing a 12,000-page charge sheet with Riya Chakrabarti and 32 other accused in it. He says that it's too early right now to make any comment, but he's already said so many things, so I really don't know what exactly he means by that. But he says NCB can either segregate or file more charge sheet based on their investigation. But he further says that I have seen senior advocate Satish Manashinde's statement that charge sheet is filed to cause harassment to his client Riya Chakrabarti, but that's not the case. Ashok Saraogi also claims that he has been in the industry for so many years and he's seen everything closely, so he knows people from trade who are consuming drugs openly. But coming back to Saraogi's film on Sushant, which is called Nyay the Justice, he says it will explore the angles of the Sushant Singh's life, and also they've got court's blessing to make this film. But these are all the claims made by Ashok Saraogi. We don't have any other version from any other parties, including the CBI or Sushant Singh's family or the NCB or any other agencies. So what is your take on this particular development and on the story? Do you think a film like this should be made, and do you think that it really will lay bare all the secrets that we've always wanted to know about Sushant Singh's death? Do you think it will help the cause of Sushant Singh's justice, or do you think it will hurt the case even further? Whatever your thoughts are, please let me know in the comment section. If you like my video, subscribe, hit on the bell icon. But as always, thank you so much for watching.